Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. In this video, let's talk about adding fonts to Photoshop. Now we are going to open the browser. I prefer Google Chrome. And now we will search for the font. I use the font website, and you can choose any font that you like. For example, let's pick this font. Click on download and wait a few seconds. After that, open this file and double click on the font itself. After that, double click on the font itself. It will open. Now click on install and just wait a few seconds. And after the font has been installed, close this tab and make sure to remember the font name, which is Spark Bubble. Close this one, go back to your project, and now here's the font that we downloaded. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.